Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of instant Rabdi or Rabri. This is used in variety of Indian desserts and do give a try. Let's see how to prepare this Rabdi. Take 1.5 tablespoon of corn flour in a bowl. Add in 1/4 cup of milk. Mix it nicely and the corn flour slurry is ready now. In a pan, take half a liter of full fat milk. Add in 3 tablespoons of sugar. In goes few strands of saffron as needed. Add in 3 tablespoons of condensed milk. If you do not have condensed milk means you can add milk powder, but increase the quantity of sugar as needed. Stir in gently so that everything combines well. Cook it in medium flame. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. I have added less cardamom powder because I need more saffron flavor in it. Once the milk boils, add in the prepared corn flour mix. Stir in continuously so that no lumps form. This would take very less time when compared to a traditional way of making the Rabdi. You could see the Rabdi is thickening. I need bit loose consistency of Rabdi since I'm going to make bread malai roll. If you need thick Rabdi means you can add 2 tablespoons of corn flour instead of 1.5 tablespoon. Rabdi has thickened perfectly and refrigerated for 2 to 3 hours. You can add almonds or pistachios as needed. I have prepared bread malai roll and sandwiches out of this Rabdi. The bread should absorb this Rabdi and hence I made it in loose consistency. I'll share the recipe link in the description below. Do try this instant Rabdi and share me the feedback. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.